Alright, baby. That's the tag on them. That's the box that they rocking out in. That's how they look inside. And we're about to get into it. You got some numbers right here. Yeah. And that's about it. And over here. Also. On the opposite side. Let's get into it. Alright, baby. That's the lateral look. That's the medial look. This was the restock that they came into. But first things first, Jordan, Nike. Come here. Come close, man. These factories are failing y'all. And they're failing us as consumers. I know the shoe was whatever it costs to make. But when y'all selling it to people with taxes, $206, bro. A lot of people can't afford that. A lot of ways people get stuff you wouldn't believe just to get this $206. And then they just mess it up. Personally, the upper is nice. Got no complaints with it. I like the 12 model. No complaints with it. This thing here that they usually have on the 12s, I really don't like it, but it is what it is. This part right here they put on the 12s, really sometimes don't like it either. But it is what it is. That's how they come. All right, that's what it's go. Let's take a look at it. But Nike, the work is in the factory. Jordan, the work is in the factory. The pods, the two pods, they just they're just not even looking at what if it's in a basket full of these pieces. They just throwing it inside on the inventory. They're just throwing it up on there. On the machines, they're not even checking those before. Look at that. This is a simple two-piece cushion. It shouldn't have that one. The ones that should have those should be tossed to the side to sell later on as B grade. It's only a cushion for the back. That's all it is. Look at that, bro. Like it's going through puberty. Look at that. Come on. The paint job on this trash also. If you really look at it, some of the paint job be trash. You might not go and see it from here. But when you inspect it in your hand, it's actually a shitty paint job. It's actually a shitty paint job. It's just two pieces. This shoe it's kind of like simple. I mean, they put a nice piece here. Then now they made at least this piece. I don't see nothing wrong on it. I don't like it, but I ain't see nothing on it. I would have rather some real good leather. I don't believe this is really even leather up on there. But that's it. That's what they like to use. I'd rather it's some real leather. I don't know if that's real leather or I would like it nice plush leather. Maybe it'll take away from the stability. So that's probably why they don't do it, because people do wear these for sneakers. I mean, for basketball, maybe have two pairs. This piece right here, even now they're getting the stuff. Look at this. This is just, they're just putting the pieces onto the assembly line like robots. And they're not actually inspecting the pieces, because the piece they put here, it has nipples on it. So those should go to the side. There's no need when you get it, you got to beg and say, hopefully ain't nothing wrong. Hopefully ain't nothing wrong. Look at that. Come on, give it an aesthetic. That's what it's giving. So don't see now, all that's just turned to aesthetic. That's how it rocks out in the bottom. Two black pods. The Jumpman 23. It looks fresh, I'm not gonna lie. Looks nice. Certain things I would want to change different. You say what you would like to change different. It did give you an extra pair of strings. Flash that out right there. Close. I don't think it's 100% the same color. I like the upper. The upper is nice. I wish they would have changed something. You say with it. I know it's supposed to be reverse flu games. I would have rather jazzed this part up with some red and black. That would have been dope. Make it red and black. I would have liked it something like that. To me, I hate, like I told you this, but it is what it is. I wish they would put something else on it. As far as like the back of it is all from like thinking of a woman's shoe. So that's what Tinker or whatever who made it. Plus the Asian, I'm not Asian, Japanese flag, I think it was. This back part right here. I like the stitching on it. Here to see all that. I think all that's cool. I don't have nothing problem with the upper. The upper is dope. I know y'all wanted to do like the flu games theme. I wish you would have took some of this blackout, hit it with some white. That would probably have popped it. Also, like I said, man, jazz up this back. They gotta stop messing up on these with these pimples. They gotta stop just throwing the stuff on the assembly line and then just make the sneaker and then go about the business and go home and la 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 la. Whatever pieces had the nipples on it, that's just what it is. Nah. You gotta start checking the pieces before they go on the assembly line. There should be a couple of people checking the pieces before they go on the assembly line, so these things won't have the nipples on it. And then to get the glue part, which at least this one don't have it, you gotta start telling people how to get the upper slash outsole when you put it to the upper. I mean the midsole slash outsole when you're getting ready to put it to the upper, how to hold it without getting the thing to drip out, which be that glue. So it is what it is. Nice shoe up top. I think this is more of a shoe to me. Look better when you're wearing it up on it. Like when you're wearing it, it's gonna look cool. That red, bro. It don't even really 100% go with the thing. Probably go more with the strings. Maybe that's probably what that really goes with. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, probably more with the string color. I just don't like it, bro. And then the paint job is just trash. It's just a trash paint job. That's what these are, man. These were the restock. You know what I mean? I don't know, Nike. I think y'all should be selling these for way cheaper, bro. These should be like $140, $130. The tongue is with that nice suede still up on it, that same material. And the two things, I like this type of material actually. I wish you would put these on the Jordan mids. Also, that type of material. You got the Jumpman in black. These two parts right here, feel more plastic thing, maybe a little, yeah, it's more on the plastic with the Jumpman on there. And that's what it is, baby. I'm about to get out of here. Inside, ain't nothing special. Black insole, black lining, and on the insole, it's a red Jumpman. About the boogie, that's how they got it. Inside the tongue, I don't think there's nothing special except telling you about the shoe. Alright, I'm about the boogie. Give you a little booty. Don't get too horny when I'm showing it to you. There you go. Booty, booty. Straight booty. Red booty. So it's on that nature. Bang, bang. Showing up with the Jumpman. Looking freshly fresh. With the 2, 1. Oh, 2, 3. I guess it's supposed to be there. The 2, 3. Up on that 2, and then I think it's supposed to be a 3 at the bottom. Yep, there you go. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, brother. And then that's toe cap. It's decent, man. I like it. I like it. Like I said, I'm not a fan of this thing right here, bro. And if this is real leather, get the more premium leather. If on it. Like I said, I don't probably take away from stability, but no, I don't know. It is what it is. That's how they made it, but put a better leather, Jordan. Come on, JB. Come on, daddy. Come on, daddy. And this is on your feet. Look. Gotta spin that up real quick. Yeah, that's on your feet. Look. I'm about to bake.